Assalamu alaikum viewers. I got a lot of requests to show recipe. So this is egg, with egg you can see I added tomato, some lots of green peas, then onion, and so we also have there are 3 eggs here, but we might add one more egg here. So it's like egg with vegetable, very simple. We're gonna put black pepper with it. You don't have to put onion powder because there are already onion powders. I might put a little bit of garlic powder, but that's optional. And definitely you need salt to the taste. This is a very simple recipe. If you don't have green peas, that's fine, but tomatoes and onion you need to have. We put like 4 eggs. Look, make sure to put the low heat and also put the lid. You can see the heat is low. So let me go ahead and check it, and look at this. It's almost half done. You can see the edges are almost done. So you're gonna wait for the middle part, and we cannot flip it. If you flip it, it's gonna break and it won't look good. So that's how you're gonna keep it. Time to check the egg. Oh, look at this, almost done. Yeah, it's almost ready to be served. We put the black pepper powder. That's why you can see some black pepper powder. You just chop it and serve it. You can see this is a sharp spatula. I'm gonna make it like 6 pieces with this, because you don't want to take everything out. The whole thing, if you want to transfer, is gonna break. I think it's gonna be 8 pieces. Sorry, like pizza. And you just take one slice at a time, 1 or 2 slices at a time, so it doesn't break. See that? That's how it's gonna come out. This is how it's gonna come out. You can see that our egg pizza is done. I call it egg pizza because it has lots of vegetables and all the toppings. If you can slice the tomato, or cut the tomato into little cubes, then it will look better and you won't mess up like the way I did, because of the tomato size were big. Alright, thank you viewers, thank you for watching. Just make sure to take one. Okay, I'm just taking 1 slice at a time like this, and you just eat it with rice. Thank you viewers, thank you for watching. Bye, take care.